My name is Kevin, and this is Let's Talk KJB Radio. What you're about to watch is the first episode, step by step, verse by verse, of the book of Revelation. Many have asked me to teach this in a video series for a long time, and now I am so excited that it's finally happening. This series is so important to me as I believe that many Christians have been taught so much false information about the end times that they are lost when it comes to this final curtain of the number one best-selling book in the world. I'm on a mission to liberate your minds from the clutches of deception. So many Christians have been force-fed a toxic cocktail of falsehoods and misdirection about the end times that it's time to reclaim the truth and break free from the chains of ignorance that have held us back for far too long. Together, we will embark on a heart-pounding odyssey through each chapter of the book of Revelation, verse by verse, and then we will work through each of the 12 chapters of the book of Daniel, pulling them all together. Finally, each week I will be dropping a special episode expounding on various topics of the end times. For example, who are the two witnesses, the dangers of wrong thinking, Daniel's 70th week, the abomination of desolation, and so much more. You're not going to want to miss an episode. One of the primary reasons why people do not understand the book of Revelation is they began going into it with preconceived notions that have imprisoned our understanding. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't fit. And so we quit. If it's too hard, we say we don't understand or just doesn't make sense. Together, we will expose Satan's plan for the global government in a new world order, the Antichrist war on the saints, and we will decode the secrets of the mark of the beast. By the end of this series, you have a clear understanding of the end times. What's more, you will be able to explain it to others as if it were the book of John. Your explanation to your friends and family of exactly what will happen at the end of the world will give them the confidence of knowing from the King James Bible what will happen, how it will happen, and maybe most importantly, when will it happen? Perhaps we will not have the best bumper music or the latest SFX, but I promise you nothing but an in-depth study, perhaps the likes you have never seen. Prepare for an experience that will undoubtedly leave an unforgettable mark upon your life. So buckle up, grab your King James Bible, and get ready for the ride of your life. This is going to be incredible, and I hope you'll stick to the entire series with us. Let's get into it. The book of Revelation.